My Facebook friend Bert asked the question, why is it that we paint the ceiling of our porches sky blue, or bird egg blue as I call it? Well, Bert, the tradition in the South is to paint ceilings this color. And the reason for it is twofold. One, superstition. They believe that this color called haint blue would keep haints or ghosts away, the bad evil spirits. Number two is that because blue is the color of the sky, insects such as wasps and dirt daubers won't build on that blue color because they see it as infinity. I hope this answers your question, Bert, and I hope it inspires you to paint your ceiling color on your porch blue.